Welcome to Whole and Healthy Cooking with Chef Val. Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Wilson. I have been teaching healthy whole foods cooking classes since 1997. I'm the author of 5 cookbooks. I offer lifestyle counseling, and I also offer cooking classes on a regular basis. My website is macroval.com. Nightshade Vegetables. Have you heard of them? Many people have questions about them. They don't understand nightshade vegetables. Now, in the 25 years that I've been teaching healthy whole foods cooking classes, and I create all my recipes, I do not use nightshade vegetables in my recipes. And here's why. Nightshade vegetables can cause joint pains and or lead to joint pains, and they affect people that have arthritis or fibromyalgia. Now, there's been a lot of scientific studies that have shown that these nightshade vegetables actually do affect people, and they make their pain more enhanced, stronger. Now, I know from personal experience, many people that I've come across, whether I counseled them or maybe they were just students taking my cooking classes, that have had arthritis pain or fibromyalgia, and they are surprised at the huge reduction in pain that has happened. I know this one lady that I was counseling, and she had very bad arthritis. She had been suffering with it for years, and she actually was eating these nightshade vegetables every day. So what she did was she dramatically cut back on them. She was honest with me. She told me she did not completely eliminate them, but she was really surprised. Her pain was reduced by about 80%. So she then went and told her mom, who was an older lady. She didn't think her mom would change. And so her mom had very bad arthritis pain. She had even been hospitalized for it. Her mom went ahead and changed her diet. And again, cut back dramatically on these nightshade vegetables. Huge difference in pain. And so now you're asking, well, what are these nightshade vegetables? Are you ready? Tomatoes, white potatoes, spinach, Swiss chard, coconut, avocados. Now, there is kind of a controversy. Some people don't classify avocados as nightshades, but it's up to you. And so in the introduction of all my cookbooks, Year-Round Healthy Holiday Dishes, Perception, and my Cooking for the Seasons, I do write about the nightshade vegetables and explain it to people so they understand. These nightshade vegetables contain oxalic acid, which binds with calcium in your body, which leads to calcification of the bones, or what is called arthritis. Now, an occasional one of these nightshade vegetables in your diet probably will not hurt you. But you can see that the modern diet is geared around these nightshade vegetables, and some people eat them every single day. Did I mention peppers and eggplants also? So this would be your green, red, yellow peppers, all peppers, and eggplants. So again, if you suffer from joint pains, if you suffer from arthritis, or maybe fibromyalgia, this might be something that you want to adjust in your diet and either greatly reduce the amount that you're eating or eliminate them from your diet completely. Now, if you're looking for substitutions, so if you stop eating some of these vegetables, you're thinking, well, what am I going to cook? These are the vegetables I use all the time. Well, that's why I'm here, to teach you healthy recipes. And you can join my Patreon group where I have over 70 videos already uploaded and ready for you to watch, and new ones added every month. It's like having your own personal cooking teacher. And I overcome these issues. Like if you're not going to cook with tomatoes, what can you do? What can you do to the food so it gives you that flavor? I can help you. So I hope you get a chance to take advantage of all the cooking videos that I have out there so that you can learn more. And I hope that this helps you also on your journey of healing, and it might help some people out there that are suffering with joint pains. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.